hide members' number in WhatsApp group. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can hide the members' numbers in your WhatsApp group. So to hide the members' phone number in your WhatsApp group, you can follow this step. However, please note that WhatsApp does not allow complete hiding of number from others group member, but you can use the following method to manage your visibility. So if you want to send a message without sharing members' phone number, consider using a broadcast list instead of group. You have to launch the WhatsApp app and then you have to tap on the chat. You have to tap on the chat tab here and go for the three dot here for the Android device. And once you are here, you can go for the new broadcast. So if there is new broadcast option, you have to just go for that. And here you have to choose the contact that you want to message. So here you can see the all message option here. And after choosing that person here, you can send them a message. Also, you can adjust the group setting. As a group member or as a group admin, you can control who can send message or change the group setting. So just go for one of your group here. So once you are on your group, you have to tap on the group name at the top and you have to scroll down to the group setting. Once you are here, you can edit permission, you can limit who can send messages to admin if you want to restrict the communication here. So if none of this above step work, just go for your setting and scroll down. And here you have to just tap on the help and go for the help center. Once you are on your help center, you can report a problem to your customer support for the WhatsApp here. Just go and tap on the contact us option and here you have to contact them by writing, I am not able to hide the numbers on my group chat. Please let me to fix it. Please help me to fix it. Then go for the next option here. And you can send the question to your WhatsApp support. I think that question here WhatsApp support has frequently replied me.